So you're having problems with your Equalizer APO here and you can't hear anything in your settings. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do. Now, first things first is you may want to update your settings here in the configuration editor. So in here, you want to make sure that you enable instant mode here. So it has like a check on it. And also you may want to go ahead and just turn off a few things here, like whatever you're using, go ahead and just turn it off. And you want to go ahead and basically close any like files you haven't have open in here. Go and just close Equalizer APO again, and again you want to go and open it up again. Let's go and just choose configuration editor, and from here you can go and just enable them again. And once you've done that, that should fix your issue. But if not, there are other things that you could actually try doing here. Now the next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your device selector here, and you want to make sure that you've selected the appropriate devices. So like, for example, your speaker as well as your capture devices. Now once you've selected everything that you need here, you can go and just click on the OK button here. Now once you've saved your settings here, you can go and just click on OK and go and open up APO Equalizer and see if that actually helps. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.